Hey there everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix your account is already registered to another phone in GCash. And for this to work, you need to have access to your other account in GCash. The reason why you have to have access to your registered phone is because you have to unregister it from your registered phone and re-register it to the phone you want to open your GCash in. So here you can see that the account can't be logged in because the account is already registered to another phone. I will pull up my other phone with the account registered and go to Profile, Settings, Account Secure, press on the registered phone, and press on Unregistered phone. Tap on Yes Unregister. You have to take a selfie to verify that it is you, and after the verification process, the phone will now be unregistered. You will then receive a text message that your phone has been unregistered. Now go back to the phone you want your GCash to be registered in, do the usual login, and tap on register this phone. It will do another selfie verification, and after that you can now log into your GCash on the phone you want to register your GCash in. That will be all for this video, and if you like the video, tap on that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to videos. Thanks for watching.